Tara, dan huwa l-isem tal-film li ntwera l-ewwel darba f'pajjiżna waqt il-Malta International Film Festival li qed jittella fit-tmiem din il-ġimgħa. Iltqajna mal-attriċi prinċipali tal-film Rekha Rana li mal-wasla tagħha f'Malta kienet impressjonata.
I have been to Vancouver, Canada, and that became my first whenever somebody asks me what is your favorite place in the world, I travel around the world, and I was always thinking that Vancouver is the place which is the most beautiful place in the world. But now I think I have changed my my opinion, and now I think Malta is on top of my list. This place is so peaceful. I love it.
Ifissritilna kif minn dejjem xtaqet tkun attriċi, iżda kien id-direttur u l-produttur tal-istess film Tara illi jena tibda din il-karriera biex illum qed tikseb fama internazzjonali.
And from my theatre, where I was performing live, Mr. Kumar Raj, the director of my first film, Tara, he spotted me performing on stage and he asked me to come for the audition for the film he was making. And that was Tara. So that's how my journey started, from theatre with just a dream to theatre, and from there to movies.
Il-film Tara kien nominata l-ewwel darba l-Oscar sentejn ilu, kif isrilna aktar Kumar Raj, il-produttur u d-direttur tal-istess film.
In the best foreign language category from a country called Togo in West Africa, we have received 90 international awards. So today will be the 91st. And we have gone to 138 international film festivals worldwide. In this month itself, the lead actress has just flown down from New York. She got an award in New York. Last month she got an award in LA. And I was in Geneva a few days ago, and we received an award in Geneva as a best film for this movie.
L-attriċi Rekha Rana spjegatilna li l-film huwa bbażat fuq l-isfida kontinwa ta' tifla fqira biex issalva.
I am playing a very ordinary woman, but how she faces extraordinary situations, how she survives, how she fights against all the odds. So it's a very strong woman-oriented film, and my character is beautiful. She's a village girl, but with a extraordinary talent.
Interessanti kif id-direttur tal-film ikejjel is-suċċess ta' dan il-film fuq l-emozzjonijiet li jirnexxielu jqanqal.
That is a success. If it makes you cry 3 times, 4 times in the movie, when you come out, you feel very good. So it takes you through various emotions. You connect with the girl who's going through such difficulties, and when she's succeeding, you want to actually clap. So that is the success of the movie.